Abela Uyatsiz Sozdur.
Дәл қазір көретін видеоңыз ол Kazakhstan 33 000 просмотр жинап тапты мына видео, круто. Сонымен дәл қазір көретін видеоңыз біздің қара домалақ қазақ рэперлерімізге, нағыз қап-қара бауырларымыздың реакциясы. Кеттік. Қара домалақ қазақ рэперлері деген қалай кетті.
Yo, what's up, Kazakhstan, all the way from USA, man? What's up, Kazakhstan?
Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Rosa. I'm from Bronx, New York.
Boy Rich.
It's your boy JD.
Feel me? No days off, man. Add it up. AAU, you heard?
You from Brooklyn? Yes,
Brooklyn,
sir.
best style, yes, sir.
My name is Kareem. I'm from Far Rockaway. I'm 19 years old.
And this is going to be a very interesting cab ride. I've never done this before, but let's go.
Jamant.
Jamant.
His name is Jamant.
Jamant not hot.
Тонированный бэнкс на стол. Хватаю из окон на посту. Я чухаю себя прекрасно. Тут алейкум салам, а не здравствуй. Зашкал на грязь мой настрой. Сука, на заднем сиденье как
I don't know what he's saying, but this is nice. I like the beat.
Зашкал на грязь мой настрой. Сука, передоза клей пластик. На фейсбуке маск, моя маска. Ведь по жизни не все как по маслу. Жизнь как сука, что даст мне. Но как целка ломает мой настрой. Делает праздно, по локоть дерьма это хасл. Люблю этот пазл, и уже похуй есть.
I don't understand what you're saying, but I know you're saying some gangster shit. I could tell.
He definitely got the swag.
What's your thoughts about this?
Yeah, this shit fire, I ain't gonna lie. Even though I don't understand what he's saying, I can tell like he really, he's with the shits, you know what I mean?
Sounds good, yeah?
Yeah, that's a fact, bro.
One shot, one kill, 80 kills. Hit usually kill.
The video fire. Song bump so hard, like his head,
kicking in
okay.
Yeah.
That song right there, like I said, like me not speaking his language, but I could still feel the swag of the music, and I could still feel like the hip hop culture and the American culture.
So you just need to feel it, yeah. You don't need to understand that.
You don't understand it, yeah, right.
Yeah.
Like hip hop is not really a, oh, he's speaking English thing. Like you could be Spanish, West Indian, African, like
yeah, just the vibe. Yeah.
Just the vibe itself, the energy.
But it's nice.
I like the beat.
And if I was to understand his language, you could understand.
Yeah.
Be able to understand. Not like rappers today that's mumbling all the time.
Yeah, it's the same thing like in here, like
yeah, it's the same beat.
They're rapping about
it's the same. They rap about everything the same. Nobody's different.
Выкину здесь, пора уже, нет таблет, ведь подопека демона не особенно все делаешь. Реагент, чекни глаза, карма, ребят, дай 5К, тохта. Уже давно умею там гитам архтак, жоп, я не больной, отстань, ты не доживешь до утра даже.
put both of them. You got the Middle Eastern and the hip hop in this one. I like this, yeah.
Надо бы по-быстрому отправить визера. Полный фильм хотим по телевизору. Мало было, нам не хватило тизера. Расписанные планы на стикерах не писаны.
Okay, at first with this one, I didn't like the beat at first.
This one?
But then it grew on me. I like the beat, I like the song.
Yeah.
And the video is really nice.
Yeah, the beginning like was slow, yeah?
Yeah, it was weird at first.
Yeah, this one is fire too.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, this one is fire too, bro. Yo, shout out IK, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
He did his thing on this.
But after the song started playing, yeah, I liked it.
Yeah, especially this part, yeah?
Yeah, that I like. It's different. Like you could create a whole dance routine to this.
Yeah, it's kind of Latin, yeah, Spanish.
Yeah, like Indian, like everything mixed into one.
They definitely got the swag on point, man.
Like you could create a whole dance routine to this one.
What language they speaking?
It's Kazakh.
Kazakh?
Yeah.
I gotta learn that language, I ain't gonna lie. This sound like he's saying some dope shit.
Yeah.
And his flow is on point. Like his flow is just on point, bro. Yeah, that's a flow, you feel me? It's on point, like, you feel me?
Yeah, that's for sure.
It's perfect, like, yeah.
So, do you think it would hit in America too? Like, if they, like...
Yeah, if they really understood what he was saying, like, yeah, that's a fact.
Yeah.
That's a fact, bro. If you just throw, like, 1 and 2 English in there, like, once in a while,
yeah,
that shit would dead bump over here, bro.
Okay.
People would play that over here, bro.
Gotcha.
Shout out to IK 5K. It's worth the wait. If you don't like slow starting beats or slow starting songs, okay, I understand, but this one is worth the wait. That one really is.
Wow.
And that's coming from somebody that don't understand the language and all the way from the United States, from the Bronx. I say it's worth the wait. I'll listen to it. I'll download it too.
This beat go hard. This beat go hard. Shout out to IK, man. This beat is hard right here, man.
Shout them out, and I just want to say I should really just put like 1 and 2 English in this music, so the English people could really be bumping this, cause this shit is fire, like for real, for real. Y'all niggas really going up.
Now he going hard. It's like he's spilling some shit right now. Yeah, I ain't gonna front. I like that one too, man. That's major.
Yeah, they had good energy on that one.
Yeah.
Energy, yeah? Like, you can feel it.
Yeah, that was. It's all about the energy. Like I said, you could say like whatever the hell you want on a song.
Yeah.
Any language, any metaphors, any similes. You just gotta.
As long as it got that good
That
vibe.
punch, right? As long as it got that hip hop sound.
Like I'm telling you, bro, if I understood what they were saying, I would have dead be bumping this, like for real.
good.
Yeah, I like it.
Nah, this one is crazy.
it down. The way he look and everything. He got dreads, all that shit.
The visual is good, eh?
Yeah, the visual is, bro, the visual, the sound, everything is just legit. Like,
yeah. His name is Darkhan Juzz.
Darkhan Juzz?
Yeah.
Darkhan Juzz?
Darkhan.
Darkhan Juzz?
Yeah.
Yo, shout out Darkhan Juzz.
He's like
Lil Wayne?
yeah.
Something like that, yeah?
Like a little way, like a Trippy Red or something. Shit make you want to learn the language. You're from Kazakhstan, right?
Yeah, Kazakhstan.
So is that's West Indies?
No, it's Central Asia. Like, you know Russia?
Yes.
So Russia, it's next to Russia. It's like neighbor countries. So it's Kazakhstan. We speak in own language. We speak Russian. So we look like Asians, but we're not.
He actually look Russian though.
Өткен сұрақтарға жауапты қайтарып тастадым мен. Қазір жұрт шайқайды бастарымен. Қызығушылық танытып білемін деп банч қағазы және қызыл диплом жақтыр еден істеймін. Бәрібір мәңгілік өмір сүремін. Мәңгілік өмір сүремін. Ей, толқын болып тарылам. Маған поху қалғандарына. Оларға да поху, менде амал барына не амал жоғына. Сол үшін базар жоғында. Кімді екенін білеміз соңында. Бәрім егер орнынан қозғалмасаң мен таң қалмай. Тағдырдан мен
I really like this one.
Yeah,
I'll download this one.
Неге мен баладай әлі секіріп жүрмін битті олар түсін битті сенің фаворитің менен сұрайды фитер неге сұра менен ей жо керек емес ашындықтың арты білес солар менен сұрайтын нәрселерді мен өмірі беріп жүре алмаймын сондықтан олар өздері кете жаймен деп.
Yeah, this is really nice. The beat, what he's saying, everything.
Yeah.
That one is really good. I like that one.
Мен құрып қойған әлемнен олар бөлшектеп өзіне алғысы келді бірақ неге еріндері неге өзі күйді неге әңгімелері өтпейді біле қазір жүріпті орыс балаға бері сал
How's it?
Yeah, it's dope, man. I ain't gonna lie, I don't see no problem with none of this music so far, bro.
The same guy.
The Russian guy.
Yeah.
Yo, just be keep calm, Jinski, lastik, vaqt barda пайдаланайын кенеттен өзгерген мәселе саналмайды мен сендерді рухани тербетер Блайда Менде орсуы анаудан келіп алматын үй қылып алам Қазалының банкоматына салам мен еңбекпен төбеге әлі де өрмелеймін Adamlar elim çekildi şekilde Koltum Gözlerim soycum kıldım Kadirde ya Kalkade pesitimdir
Go crazy, I don't know what you're saying, but go crazy
Bir de kimisi Topsli Alska ateşli
Yeah, he have it down pat, bro. Harmonizing everything, bro.
How's it? It's just...
Yeah, that one sounds like that one. I'm also 50-50.
50-50?
Yeah, because it sounds like he was repeating himself.
я душой богатый из ма. Мы тату в отек катаем, мама катаем, мама катаем, бом. Бегисма, беги сюда, шигисма, татасма, балрасма, арасма. День, узгиргин, рестле,
How is it?
This one is good too. It's a little slower than the rest of them.
Oh, I see.
But the harmony, he's still on point with it.
Yeah.
Like I said, for it to be a different culture,
Yeah.
these guys they're not missing the beat. You know what I mean? Is the next one KS-Bonah?
Yeah, that one. Yeah.
Hey. Once I got the coke.
This is the guy with the dreads.
Yeah, I can see.
Hey, this shit fire too.
Кêu все, каждый год лучше год, ну так и плечо. Каждый год мы молодеем, каждый год не молодеем. На свободе в порядке, со мной рядом кисло-сладкий, Juzz мир хай, серии Darkhan.
No, he just went crazy.
Okay, with this one I'm 50-50. I like the beat. The beat is nice, but it sounds like he's mumbling in the beginning.
Yeah.
But I like the beat.
So the sound is good, yeah?
Yeah, the beat is really nice, but in the beginning it sounds like he was mumbling at first.
Yeah, it is. I don't understand too, like what he's saying in there, but
yeah, like even though I don't understand the language, the beginning sounds like he was just mumbling at first.
Yeah.
But the beat is really nice.
How is it so far?
This shit valid, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Like, this shit is really valid. This shit really make me want to learn the language on some shit, though. Like,
I like him the most.
Yeah.
Cause honestly, like I feel like he got it down packed the most.
The third guy with the dreads.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I feel like he got it down the most as far as like American hip hop, the culture, the dressing, the tattoos, the style of hair.
Yeah.
Like the visuals itself is dope. Like he know what he's doing. Right. If he come to America and he crosses music to like America, like English,
or just do a feature with somebody.
Soulbirkez, that one, that song is really good.
The Russian guy, yeah.
The Soulbirkez song, that I'll say again. If it's on Apple Music, Spotify, or whatever music platform they're streaming on, I'll say download it.
If they like can get to here and just start making music in here, can they
like grow a following?
Yeah.
Yes,
like in
believe.
America,
yes, because now a lot of people are listening to overseas artists. Because look how big what's that group K-pop got? Oh, they're Korean.
Yeah, but they're in the world.
They're all over the world now. But I'm telling you, a lot now people are starting to listen to our artists overseas. Because I feel like overseas beats are way better than here in the United States beats. So if they was to come over here and start following, trust me, they will make it.
Yo, shout out to Darkhan Juice. Shout out to the whole Kazakhstan family. Shout out to all the people making music in Kazakhstan. You know, man, big shout out from America, to y'all guys, man. Keep doing y'all thing, man. Y'all winning, man. Bless up, man.
Yo, bro, that's the good one, I guess. I really
appreciate that.
Yo,
bro.
you made my video, bro.